My question for you is, if you had lived your entire life until this moment as a mute, and you only had one moment to speak, what would be the message you would share?
It's a silly question. Of course, it depends on the circumstances. If that occasion, at that very moment, feel very hungry, then say, oh, I want some food. What's the next question?
That's my wife. Smile, Sean.
Looks much younger.
She's much younger, yes.
Oh, looks like your daughter. Sorry. Then, India is now over 55 years. India is my home. And as a matter of fact, I'm the longest guest of Indian government. So, some way I exploiting government money. Like that.
Because I think at least, about 2 decades, not touching samba. So when first time samba take, there's a lot of problems, stomach. What was say? A lot of things come from there.
People always seem to lose their pens.
That is, I think, due to lack of mindfulness.
Oh, that's what's been happening to me all these years.
The gallbladder problem. So, whole my body become yellow. So later, I jokingly telling people, at that time, I truly become living Buddha. I become yellow, color hair yellow, everything yellow. Usually, practice is something like this. One mosquito come. Then, if my mood is something quite happy, then I usually give some blood, to the mosquito. Then, second time come, then more impatience. So sometimes I do like this, blow out. Then third come, then sometimes. Whenever that is a person is approach to that sort of parrot, the parrot always showing some very excitement or something like that. Then that official gives some nuts. And then while the parrot is eating, the official's finger, on the head of the parrot, go like that. Then the parrot is showing special sort of a friendly attitude. So I developed some jealousy. So I also want that kind of response from that parrot. So I'm Dalai Lama. So therefore, the must show is more sort of that friendly. So poor animal, do not know that. So in any way, I try to develop that kind of friendship. So a few days I try to give some nuts. Then that parrot take the nuts, then showing very negative attitude. Then I lost my temper. I use some tin stick to disciplinary action. So after that, no hope, no friendship. Part of sort of protection my eye, looking television like that, I think very bad for my eye.
Very bad for your eyes. Okay, well.
And also it's a waste of time.
It's a waste of time? Oh, Hollywood would hate to hear you say that about the movie business.
Right?
Oh, yes.
What do you do for fun?
Use drugs. 맞아. 그래. 나 그래. 지금아. 오. 지금아, 왜 무서워하냐? Actually, we are same human being. So I always mentioning, mentally, emotionally, physically, we are same. So the potential which I have, and also use that potential, you also have same potential. And now question is, you must realize that potential and utilize that potential as much as you can. Then you will be a happy person and a successful life. So don't pay all your attention for dollar. Inner value. Thank you.